Today we will be looking at some spy tools that will help you to get a winner ASAP and so that you can scale your store and make some money. So the first thing we have is Esniper. This one you can get a subscription from the link in the description. Okay, let's go to the first picture, that is the Esniper. What this does is it shows you all the AliExpress products here, sorted by order. You can see here it has 20,962 orders in the last 30 days and so on, and you can sense it for today's sale, 7 days, last 7 days, last 3 days, and so on. And you can even filter by categories, top countries, niches, shipping and all. If it has e-packet and stuff, you can go to shipping. You can here filter by price, range, order, and all this stuff. Okay, that's basically spy tool for AliExpress. And then we have here the Shop Sniper. This will basically show you some shops which are dropshipping from AliExpress, and then you can spy them. And one thing which we really like to show you is this one, that is the Viral Sniper. Here you can see all the winning products. Okay, so we are right now in Viral Sniper, and these are the current trending products which are advertising in Facebook and Instagram. So you can see all this. So a store out there is marketing this, so posted 23 hours ago, this one and this one. So you can get everything for about a product. Okay, so it will show you, let's say, show me the money, and what you can get from here is you can get okay, so you can get the AliExpress link, the Alibaba link, the Amazon link, the eBay. You can also see the store selling this product, even the Facebook ads. Okay, and that's all this. Okay, what we like is the Viral Sniper to give us ideas to find winning product. Okay, and the Insta Sniper, what this does is that it will show you all the influencers in Instagram which you can market right away. Okay, so these are all the influencers. It shows the engagement rate, it shows the everything. You can just, it shows you the link of the profile, and what you can do is you can also filter this by the categories and stuff. So that way you know how to do influencer marketing in Instagram. Okay, this top store, these are just basically dropshipping top stores, and that's it. And this one also we like it, that is the Store Sniper. What this does is that let me show you it. You will enter a store to Shop. Okay, so and if we just go to search, what this does is that okay, so it's going to show you, yep. So how long is highgoshop.com? How old is it? 2 years and 20 days. Okay, the team details, booster 2.23, that's the team, and these are the apps they use, and this is the best selling product, they show it here, and also the latest product they added, it is here. Okay, so that's basically Esniper. You can do the Store Sniper, you can do the Insta Sniper, the Viral Sniper. Those three are the most effective ones in Esniper. So this Nichescrapper is also similar to the Esniper we talked before, but here the product scrapper, this basically means the AliExpress research tool, which is same with the Esniper, Ali Sniper. Okay, so this one is basically AliExpress. Okay, so it shows you the number of orders and stuff. So orders 00, and you can do, it has orders 572, 566, and all this stuff. Okay, Ali score literally means that how it is performing in AliExpress, growth and competition is all this. Okay, that's it. And you can also have filter this by category and stuff, the countries and all this. And handpick here, this one we like a lot, and this one it shows you similar to Esniper, you can view the Facebook ads, the video link, and all those stuff. Okay, you can also view the store product and all those things. Okay, so if you just go to here, it will basically show you everything. Okay, so yeah, selling price, you can see the product cost and the profit margin. Okay, it is giving you AliExpress, Amazon, the Facebook ad, the store selling this product, the video URL, and all these things. Okay, Also, it also shows you an example of targeting USA, all and stuff, which you can test it out with Facebook ads. And that's basically Nichescrapper. Okay, it even shows you the product description, which you can copy and paste in your store, but we don't recommend doing that. But of course, it do provide you the basic idea of how to develop your description. Okay, and then next we have the store analysis, which is the same with the Esniper, store sniper, which is basically same. All you can do is just go highgashop.com and it will show you basically everything about Highgashop. Okay, so all these three are useful, but the most thing useful in the Nichescrapper is the handpick and the store analysis. And one important advantage, or one main advantage of Esniper is the Insta Sniper if you want to do influencer marketing, but we don't normally do that. We just start off with Facebook ads. Okay, so recently added, they are showing here, and the best selling. Okay, this one Esniper also shows the same. Okay, if you can see the best selling, this one, and here is the best selling. Okay, and the recently added, this one, and you can also see here the recently added. Okay, so that's Nichescrapper, and one advantage of Nichescrapper over Esniper is that I find it more of a professional and more easy to use than Esniper, because Esniper is a little less professional. Even the support email doesn't work, because last time I tried to contact them, but unfortunately it doesn't work. Okay, but overall both are good tools, and you can subscribe to any of those or even bot, because the handpick here, the winning products that they are uploading, and one in the Esniper, they are different, and you can get winning product idea, and that way you can test products after products and find your winner ASAP. Okay, but if you are on a budget, go with Esniper. Okay, but if you have more budget, you can also go with Nichescrapper. Okay, these two are the best in the market right now, because it has all this feature. Other spy tools and stuff, they don't have all this feature. They will just come with just one of those, like this winning product or just a store analysis. Okay, so this spy tools, Esniper and Nichescrapper, have everything in them. Okay, so that's why they are great. Okay, the last one we want to talk about is called Adspy. Okay, this one, if you go to the link in the description and subscribe, you will get $50 off in the first month subscription, and also you will get 100 free searches. Okay, so what it basically does is that it can find any single Facebook ad in the world ever created. Okay, so this is a very good for product finding and validation. Okay, so okay, so let's say we want to find a dog product. You can just type in here add text. Okay, you can type it here dog, and what you can do is technologies. I always want to do Shopify, because most people are dropshipping using Shopify. Okay, and sin button, you always want to do around 1 week. Okay, because we want it to be currently selling. So basically something that is right now in currently active in Facebook between 6th January to 13th January. Okay, so that's it. And if you select like this, so it shows you from 6th to 13th February, and the total number of likes, you want to do it, you want to decrease it to around let's say 500. And what you can do here is just type in dog. Okay, so dog. Okay, add the filters. Okay, so add text, dog, sin built-in, total likes, and technology. Once you get that, these are the things we got. Okay, so this basically is dropshipping. It just have 5 likes, which is not good. Oh, 0 to 500 likes. Okay, sorry for that. We just have to do at least 500 likes. Okay, from at least 500 likes. Okay, at least 500, and there you go. Okay, these are basically the things people are right now selling, and you can see the country they are selling to: Canada, Argentina. These are basically dropshipping things. You can clearly see them. Okay, so you can just go and test it out. These are things, and even if you want to validate a product, this has been selling from October 2019 and all those stuff, you can just put it in the here add text. You can just remove that and just type in kitchen, okay, kitchen, okay, and add the filters, okay. That way okay, it shows you the kitchen, okay. These are currently the selling by the dropshippers, I guess, okay. Not all these ads will be for dropshipping, but easily you can figure out whether they are dropshipping by visiting the site, okay. You can just visit the site, or you can simply save the ad, and then this is a very good for product research and validation. So these three tools we use, that is Adspy, Nichescrapper, and Esniper, and we just explain them in a brief. And if you want to get them, there are links in the description and you can check it out. So if you like the video, just give a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe for more upcoming hacks and tips on dropshipping and how to make money online stuff. So thanks for watching. Bye.